Government College Lahore, or simply GCU, is synonymous with Lahore. Among the most famous of Lahore colleges, it is among the first educational institutions that were established in the Punjab. Generations of students have passed through its portals and attained eminent positions in all walks of life in Pakistan. In April 1871, the college moved to a large bungalow near Anarkali. In 1873, its location was changed to another house called Rahim Khan's Koti. It was in 1876 that the college moved into the present building. The construction had started almost in mid-1872 and was completed in 1877. Situated in the heart of the city, the site is surrounded by main business and administrative areas, schools, colleges and Punjab University Old Campus, presently raised to the status of university. Government College University, GCU, site is located at the junction of the mall and the Lower Mall and occupies a focal point. The first principal was the famous Dr. G.W. Leitner, whose name is closely attached to the college. In April 1871, the college moved to a large bungalow near Anarkali. In 1873, its location was changed to another house called Rahim Khan's Koti. The building was designed by W. Pudden, Superintendent Engineer, and constructed under the supervision of Executive Engineer Kanhe Lal. It was completed in 1877 at a cost of 320,000 rupees. A couple of years after its completion, Viceroy Lord Lytton presided over the convocation of Punjab University College, 1879, held in its convocation hall with its enormous height, the Great Hall of the Lahore College, which was tastefully decorated and arranged for the occasion. Lytton papers recorded that the event was witnessed by a large number of ladies and gentlemen, European and native. The center of the GCU main building is marked with an enormous entrance tower, a most impressive element representing the image of Government College. Placed on a 15 feet high podium, and accessible from the garden by a wide flight of stairs, the tower rises to a total height of 176 feet. Divided into 4 distinct stories, it is terminated in the form of a spire. The battered sides of the octagonal tower carry quaint dormer windows, with its enormous clocks visible from great distances. The classrooms are accessed from a deep veranda which also provides protection from the strong Punjabs. The most prominent part of the building is the main hall, now called Dr. Abdus Salam Hall. It consists of a central nave and aisles running along the 4 sides. The nave has double height. The 4 aisles are double-storied and they form a gallery on the upper floor. The main entrance to the hall is through a porch on the west side. Another entrance on the south faces the oval ground. This is an arched opening with grand and traditionally carved wooden door. After entering through this magical opening, a passage leads into the hall. Inside the hall, where the aisles cross each other at corners, big rooms have been provided.